Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at another set of AirPods. This time it's from a company called Evolve Pods. Okay, they're $24.99 and I saw them on Instagram. So they come in black, red, mint green and cascade white. So that's the color options. And here's the rest of the box. It's got Evolve on the side. On the back, it gives you a bit of information, very similar to the Apple design. Now, information on these, it says they're up to 6 hours playtime, 6 hours cool time, with a charging time of 40 to 50 minutes. There's some more information there. And it says they're 100% water resistant, IPX7 to 25 meters. I haven't tested this, and I don't know if I will. Okay, let's open up and see what we've got inside. So there's the AirPods. Underneath here we have a charging cable and an instruction manual. Let's put the rest of this out of the way. Okay, right, so let's take this out first of all. Okay, so it's got a nice matte finish, an Evolve pod, or just Evolve on the bottom, lightning cable, and the instruction manual is in English. Okay. TWS, true wireless sound. Right, I'm going to leave some images here from the instruction booklet. It was only in English, and you can pause at any time so you can read through carefully. There we go. I don't want to take up too much time with the instruction book. Right, so again, back to the case. It's got a nice velvety matte finish. And then let's see what they sound like. Okay, sorry for the reflection on my phone. I've changed the position of my light and I'm going to have to change it again. It's in the way. Right, so to pair these up, you need to press the button on the back and then take out each of the AirPods like this. Leave the lid open, and within a few seconds it should connect to the phone. There we go. So touch connect, and then it will go into this. So it says Evolve Pods at the top, and then it's got the battery percentages at the bottom. So it tells you the battery percentages, which is excellent. Oh, I must have touched something. Okay, let's stop that. Right, so music, let's have a listen. Okay. The music sounds good. Not too bassy, but this is not a particularly bassy song anyway. Yeah, it sounds good. Midtones are good. Vocals are good. Okay, let's see if I can find something a bit more bassy. I don't recognize what's going on. Ah, library, sorry. Right, let's have a look. We've got some UB40 or something. Beatles. Something bassy. Okay, volume. Turning the volume up. That makes it a bit more bassy. It gets very, very loud, but it doesn't distort, which is good. Right, this has got some bass. Okay, let's try this song. Okay, the bass is good. Bass is good. Sound is good. Oh, I'm very happy with these. I wasn't sure when they first arrived. They looked a little bit like some of the other AirPods that I've been testing out, and I haven't been all that happy with some of them. But these ones sound really good. They feel nice quality. Lightning connector charging. Case really solid, really firm. It has a nice feel with the matte finish. Okay, it's locked itself. Right, so let's test out some touch controls. Okay, so if you right, so if you touch it one time, it plays and pauses the tracks. And I'm getting the volume. What am I doing with that? Okay, the volume, you touch it one time, plays, pauses. If you double tap, it changes the track. And then if you triple tap the left hand side, the volume decreases. And then if you triple tap the right AirPod, the volume increases. Well, that's good. Right, let's have a look at them a little bit closer up so you can see them for yourselves. So let's bring it up to the camera. So as you can see here, it's got the sensor dots on the front and the back. It's got an R for the right, obviously. It's got a plastic grill inside, and it's got the air vents or the sound vents. Basically, it's pretty much the same as the AirPods. Underneath, it's got two little gold dots. And the case has got two corresponding dots. If you long press, Siri pops up by the looks of it. Okay, let's just test that again. Okay, so triple tap. If you triple tap quickly, as you can see, the volume goes up, and that's the right earpiece. And then quick touch, and that will pause and play. And then a long hold, and you get Siri. Okay, let's do that again. So if you press on the main body and hold it down for a few seconds, right place, 1, 2, 1, 2, there we go. What's weather like in London? Okay, so that seems to be working all right. It seems to only work on the left one. Right, so I'm happy with these, and I'll do another review later on if you want me to, and let you know how I get on. Otherwise, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.